Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope you're fine. My name is Henrik, and I'm beginning with a new chapter of Class 5 Ratna Sagar, Social Science Chapter 4, Weather and Climate. So, dear students, let us begin this video without wasting time. First topic: Introduction to Weather and Climate. Weather and climate are two important aspects of our environment that describes the conditions of the atmosphere. Weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. It includes changes in it includes changes in temperature, rainfall, humidity, sunshine, wind, etc. For example, it is raining today or it's very hot this afternoon. Climate refers to the average weather conditions of a place measured over a long period of time, usually 30 years or more. It tells us about the general pattern of weather in a region. For example, Rajasthan has a hot and dry climate, or Kerala has a humid tropical climate. In short, weather tells us what happens today or this week, while climate describes the usual pattern over many years. First topic of the chapter, which is climate. Climate is Climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time, usually 30 years or more. It describes the usual pattern of temperature, rainfall, humidity, and wind in a region. Examples: the Thar Desert, Rajasthan, has a very hot and dry climate. The Himalayan region has a cool climate. Kerala has a humid tropical climate. While weather changes daily, climate remains steady for years and tells us what kind of weather a place generally experiences. Next topic: what influences uh, what influences climate? Latitude, distance from the equator. Places near the equator are hotter. For example, Chennai. Places near the poles are colder, like Ladakh and Leh. Number 2, altitude, high above sea level. Higher places are cooler than low-lying land areas. For example, Shimla is cooler than Delhi. Number 3, distance from the sea. Coastal areas have moderate climate, not too hot, not too cold. Inland areas have extreme climate, very hot in summer, very cold in winter. Number 4, winds bring rainfall or dryness. For example, monsoon winds bring rain to India. Fifth one, relief features, mountains, deserts, etc. Mountains block wind and cause rainfall on one side and dryness on the other side. For example, Western Ghats receive very heavy rainfall, but the Deccan Plateau is drier. Number 6, ocean currents. Warm and cold ocean currents affect the temperature of nearby coastal regions. Next topic, heat zones. Earth is um, Earth is divided into different heat zones based on the amount of heat received from the sun. But the earth is spherical, sunlight does not fall equally everywhere. Types of heat zones. Number 1, torrid zone, tropical zone. Location between the Tropic of Cancer 26.5 degree north and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. Heat gets direct rays of the sun, so it is the hottest zone. For example, India, Brazil, Indonesia and Kenya. Next one, number 2, zones. North temperate zone between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. South temperate zone. South temperate zone between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Heat getting slanted rays of the sun, so the climate is moderate, neither too hot nor too cold. The example, most of Europe, USA, Argentina and Australia. Number 3, frigid zone. North frigid zone between Arctic Circle and North Pole. South frigid zone between Antarctic Circle and South Pole. Heat getting very slanting rays of the sun, so these are the coldest zones, mostly covered with ice and snow. For example, Greenland and Antarctica. Summary in one line: torrid zone hottest, temperate zone moderate, frigid zone coldest. Student, therefore this small chapter is over. So let us do a small recap. Okay, yes. Weather changes daily. Climate is average weather over years. Weather is short term, climate is long term. Elements: temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind and sunshine. Latitude affects climate, altitude affects temperature, distance from the sea controls climate, winds bring dryness. Relief features influence rainfall, ocean currents affect coastal areas. Climate: torrid zone is the hottest, temperate zone is modest, frigid zone is the coldest. Weather changes daily. Climate is average weather over years. Weather is short term, climate is long term. Elements: temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind, sunshine. Latitude affects climate, altitude affects climate. Temperature, distance from sea controls climate. Wind bring rain or dryness. Relief features influence rainfall. Ocean currents affect coastal climate. Torrid zone is the hottest. Temperate zone is the moderate and frigid zone is the coldest. Therefore, this chapter of class 5 Ratna Sagar, chapter name Weather and Climate, third chapter class 5 Ratna Sagar is completed explanation. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. Students, there is no comment in the video, I noticed. So when I will upload say notification in the community post, there you can comment your doubts. Okay. Therefore, students, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. Till the students, take care. Bye bye. Sayonara. From the coming week is the class third week. Till that, take care. Bye bye. Sayonara.